Moringa is actually a $9 billion a year industry. What does that mean? That means around the world, over $9 billion is consumed, traded, bought, and sold around the whole world when it comes to moringa. You can actually make sales today selling moringa trees, moringa seeds, and start your moringa business, learning how to grow moringa for even teas and powders, something that you could sell directly to consumers at farmers markets. This is a great opportunity for you to get started and learn about how to grow moringa. So one of the ways that I can help you help yourself in growing your business, growing your moringa business, and also your income stream, revenue streams, is by joining our platform. And by doing so, you get into our ecosystem where if you have something for sale and you want to, connect with other people to see if there's any buyers in there, because people are coming to me asking, hey, do you know somebody in my area that I can buy moringa from? And that's who I'm promoting, our members. Hey, yes, I know somebody right actually down the street from you. I'll go ahead and connect you with them. It's a way to alleviate some of the pressures for myself having to do everything to be able to give you business and to share in the wealth, because there's so much to give around and to help you grow your business that I want to see you thrive and grow and also prosper like myself, that I've been doing just off of the... And I started by letting people know that I had it, and that's what first changed my life. The demand for this one plant is so high, in fact, I can't even keep up with all the sales myself. So I created this opportunity for you to bank from growing this one plant too. And now this opportunity is available to you. I created a university to teach you how to grow, harvest, dry, package, and sell this one plant. And all of this information is inside of my network of growers. It's an agricultural collective. What's crazy is that some of the members are already making over $10,000 to $15,000 a month in their business. Stay tuned to see exactly how my agricultural collective works by watching this full video. I'll walk you through the platform and some of the benefits and rewards for being a member. But you'll want to sign up before it's too late, because membership is now on sale and your chance to make an income from this is only going to take longer. The best time to plant a tree was yesterday. And this is the seed that I want to remind you to at least begin learning how to grow this one plant now. Then see if it's right for you to take the next step in making extra income. You can actually get on the Moringa map, let me know that you need your pin on the map, say, hey, add my pin to the Moringa map, because once you're a member, you can get regular updates and you can get calls. Essentially, you can get calls from people out in the world that are in your area, and they can see you on the Moringa map. Get calls, make sales today. But if you could make extra income selling something that you're growing, maybe that could change your perspective. Plus, if you're passionate about this one plant as much as I am, it's almost like not even having to sell anything. It actually sells itself.